Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you meet.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for new content every week. So guys, I'm about to try something. Yeah, a little bit nervous, but as you can see, my eyebrows are not done. They're a little lighter than normal. These are my real eyebrows. I've always liked my eyebrows to be a little bit on the darker side. I like to fill in my eyebrows with like an eyebrow brush with my eyebrow makeup that I have. Don't ask me what it is. It's something from Walmart that I got and I love it because it works. I got this beard dye tint stuff but this is it. I got it off of Amazon. That's why the box is all beat up, but it's been sitting in my closet now for the past 2 weeks just because I've been nervous to do it. But honestly guys, the one thing that I hate about doing my makeup is my eyebrows. I hate doing my eyebrows. Like, my makeup would be done a lot quicker if I didn't have to do my eyebrows. I think a lot of us, you ladies out there, can vouch for that. But I wanted to give this a try. I've seen other YouTubers try this, so I'm gonna give it a try. I am nervous. I am nervous because I feel like if I mess up, it's not fixable, but we'll give it a try. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up, and this is the stuff that comes in the box. So we have the color base, the color developer, a brush, and it looks like we have some instructions, and I'm not sure what these are, but we'll find out. One girl's YouTube said that this can last for, I believe she said 8 weeks. So if I don't have to touch my eyebrows for 8 weeks, I'm okay with that. I saw another girl do this video. She says to only use a little bit because we're only dyeing our eyebrows. Like, you're not gonna need the whole tube of the color base and the whole tube of the developer. Just equal parts of each, enough to tint your eyebrows. I also got an eyebrow brush from Amazon, just a random one. This is what it looks like. And I haven't opened this yet, so I'll take it out the packaging. The brush, this is what if you guys can see that, what the brush looks like. And I have the end piece that I won't be using, but if you guys are interested, that's what it looks like. It's really cute. It's Dew Color, I believe that's the name of this. Yeah, Dream in Color. That's the name of this eyebrow brush. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm very nervous, like shaking in my boots nervous. What do you need to prepare? A timer, an old towel or t-shirt. I have an old t-shirt on. Beard wash or shampoo, preferably for color treated hair. Put on gloves before step 1. Protect clothing and surfaces. Okay, so it says to squeeze color base into the tray. Squeeze a line from color base tube into the mixing tray. Squeeze developer into the tray. Squeeze an equal amount of color developer into the mixing tray. Mix product with plastic end, which will be this part. So we're not even going to be using this. But I will use this to mix up the solution. It seems pretty easy and straightforward. The rest of the steps don't apply because it's for beard instructions. Oh, these must be gloves. I'm not going to use gloves because I don't need gloves. Yeah, these are gloves. So you get gloves. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make sure my eyebrows are evenly brushed out. They're looking pretty good.
We link up, it's only us that we're thinking, will we get there? Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing you. I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want me to grass.
First, I'm gonna start with the color base. My daughter's supposed to be taking a nap and she's late. So I know that I don't need a lot, but this is the amount that I put in there. And I'm just gonna do the same amount with the color developer. This is what it looks like. You guys can see that. So now I'm gonna take the end of the brush and I'm gonna mix it together. If you guys wanna see me do it. It's just enough. That way, like, also too, you'll have some left over too if you need to, you know, dye your eyebrows again later on. So I think we're good. Oh my god, please do not let me mess up, because I have something I have to do tomorrow, and if I mess up, like but bear with me, I'm gonna try it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the end of my eyebrow brush and I'm gonna apply it using this and just kind of go in. I'm gonna be applying it in this direction. I wouldn't put a lot of dye on the eyebrow brush just because you don't want to put too much on there, because that's what's really gonna be messed up. Like, you don't want to mess up. So this is how I'm starting off. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just a little bit on there. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. For me like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Okay guys, so this is what my eyebrow is looking like right now. Compared to this one over here. So I think we're good. And I'm starting the clock on this one. You show me I don't want to rewind. Yeah. No, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine. This one, I'm noticing, I think I came down a little bit too far right here and maybe like a little bit too much up here. So I'm gonna go get a paper towel real quick and hope I can just wipe it real quick and won't do anything. I'll be back. So I have a paper towel. Just kind of clean it up a little bit. I think I might have fixed it. Yeah. Okay. They look even to you guys. They look even to me. This one just looks a little bit thicker is all. But I think, like, in real life, this eyebrow is thicker than this one. We're gonna see what happens, guys. I am like, I'm super nervous. I have Suave shampoo that's for colored hair that I'm gonna use to clean this off. I don't have any, like, makeup wipes or anything, so, but yeah. I am like, guys, like, it's hard to even tell like what it looks like on camera because of my ring light, but I mean, they look decent. I just don't know how this is gonna come out, but you guys get to see it with me, so yeah. If this works, hey, you're welcome. I had thought about going to a nail shop. Some nail shops in my area do eyebrow tints, but I'm like, why can't I just do it at home? I can just do it at home. Here we are. Here we are. I hope it turns out okay. Just like I said, I have something to do tomorrow where I have to see other people. So like, I just really, oh my God, bro. I can't believe I did this. But like, I just hope that it comes out right. I'm just contemplating everything right now. Oh no, I got dye on my desk. I'm contemplating everything right now. I wouldn't throw this brush away either because you could totally use this for something else. I don't know what, but I would keep it. It's 10:55, so I'm getting ready to wipe this one off. So I'm gonna go upstairs, get a wash rag with my Suave shampoo for colored hair, and we're gonna wipe this bad boy off and see what it looks like. Oh my god. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. I'm really nervous. What do you guys think? This is how it came out. I don't think it's that bad. I don't think it's that bad. I feel like I missed some spots, so I might have to go in and still like color in a little bit, but I don't think it's that bad. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. I have to take this one off because it's throwing me off. I just hope like this one isn't like messed up. It's time for this one to come off. So here we go. Okay, here we are. Here we are. What do you guys think? It's hard to tell with the ring light with me because they're a little bit shiny too. I did it. I did it. I did it. I am so proud of myself. What do you guys think? I love it. This one is, I feel like, a little bit darker. This one is like perfect. Like this is how I would normally fill in my eyebrows. But I feel like the ring light is kind of like throwing it off a bit. So I'm going to go upstairs and take a look, a good look, and then clean it up. And I will come back so I can show you guys or let you guys know exactly what I think. But I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I love them. I do think this one came out a little bit thicker than this one, but I feel like it's not bad. So what I might do is I might go in and just kind of add a little bit down here just to kind of even it out with this one. This is what the dye now looks like. Before it was a little lighter. So I'm just gonna go in really quick, lightly, and add some dye at the bottom here. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. I will be back once this is done processing and I wipe it clean. It should be equal to this one. I have 2 minutes left until I take this dye off. I am so proud of myself. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, this is like a huge accomplishment for me. Like, I never thought that I could actually do this. Congratulations to myself. Real quick story. You guys have to excuse the mess over here as I just, you know, did a masterpiece. Before this, we went to Walmart to get a Walmart pickup, and I really wanted Starbucks. I really wanted a pumpkin cream cold brew, and I'm probably saying that totally wrong, but you guys know you guys get the point. Why are Starbucks lines always so long? Like, they're drinks. I mean, I know they put a lot of love into their drinks, but damn, them lines be long. And my mouth was set on a pumpkin cream cold brew coffee, but the Lord said, not today. Not today. I had the baby in the car. It was almost nap time, and y'all already know baby comes first. So I said, damn, it's already gonna take me 7 minutes to get home, and who knows how long we're gonna be sitting in this line for. So I'm just gonna leave. I'm out. Gone. I said I would go in, but I'm in mommy attire. If there's any moms out there, you know what I'm talking about. I got the soggy leggings on with the, it's October now, so it's hoodie weather. With the hoodie, with the grease stain, makeup not done. I was looking rough. So I was like, do I want to embarrass myself or should I just go home? I obviously just came home. A good old coworker of mine gave me this cup a couple years ago. So when I want Starbucks, I use this cup to make it seem like I'm drinking Starbucks. But it's not Starbucks. It's Maxwell house coffee with chocolate caramel, sugar-free creamer, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. And the cinnamon just, it gives it that fall flavor. And it's so yummy, guys. You guys should definitely sprinkle cinnamon in your coffee because it turns it up a notch. Okay, I've been talking for a bit, so let's see. All right, right on the money. Here we go. Actually, I need to wet this again real quick. Be back. Okay, so it already still has shampoo in here, so I'm just gonna take my handy dandy mirror and go in and wipe this bad boy off. Oh yes. So guys, this is how my eyebrows came out. So if you do mess up, I don't want to say if you messed up, but if you missed a spot, like I missed a spot. I missed 2 spots technically. But if you miss a spot, you can go back in and just fill it in, wait 10 minutes, wipe it off, and it's good. As you guys can see, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm ready. I am ready for tomorrow. I am ready for the next 8 weeks of not doing my eyebrows because this is normally how they would look if I was to do my eyebrows with my eyebrow makeup, so I don't need to do anything with them. Guys, I cannot believe that I did this. I am so proud of myself. If I can do it, you can do it. So just do it, girl. Just do it, girl. You can do anything that you want to do. I'm gonna head on out of here and get some lunch. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for new content every week. I'm gonna be more consistent. I do love making videos and putting content out there. It's just something that I kind of got away from, but now I am back and gonna be better than ever. So let's go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.